The Birds of Bethlehem, Tomie, dePaola. Every evening, the birds of Bethlehem gathered in the field to glean any corn that might have been left for harvest. This winter morning was different. Everyone watching would have thought they were spent more time talking to one another than having breakfast. And that was true. Yesterday afternoon, we saw something we've never seen before, said the green bird and his mate. We saw a long line of people coming over the hills. The yellow bird and his mate spoke up. We saw something very unusual yesterday as well. The inn in town was full. What we saw, said the bluebird and his mate, was very strange indeed. A man and his wife were led to the stable because there was no room left in the inn. We were roosting in a tree on the hill, said the red bird and his mate. Below us there were shepherds watching their sheep. We saw an extraordinary thing. An angel appeared in the sky and said, I bring you tidings of great joy. Go quickly to Bethlehem, where you'll find a baby lying in a manger. We were in the same tree, said the brown bird and his mate, and what we saw was spectacular. The night sky was filled with heavenly hosts singing, Glory to God in the highest, and on earth peace to men of good will. What we saw, said the white bird and his mate, was an awesome sight, so we followed the shepherds. Let us go see this miracle thing that has come to pass, all the birds agreed. In the stable was a young mother, her husband, and their newborn baby. The Birds of Bethlehem.